So today in this video, I'll show you how you can add a custom HTML page like this into WordPress. So I'll show you how you can make it appear in the blog post list or pages list in WordPress. So right here, if you click this link, it will be redirected to the custom HTML page. So if you want this custom HTML file as a page in WordPress, then I'll show you how you can do that also. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For uploading your custom HTML page to WordPress, log into your cPanel. In your cPanel dashboard, go to File Manager. Inside File Manager, open Public HTML folder. Inside it, you will see all the WordPress files of your website. So if your WordPress is installed in the root domain, that is the domain in which cPanel is installed, then you will see these folders right here in the Public HTML folder. Or else you will see another folder with the name of your domain right here. Inside it, all the WordPress files will be stored. So mine is installed in the root domain, so all my files are in the public HTML folder. If your WordPress is not installed in the root domain, then you should select the folder with the domain name. So I'm selecting public HTML, and inside it, we need to create a folder. So in the top right corner, you'll see an option called folder. Click on it and you can create a folder. So enter the folder name right here. This folder name will be there in our HTML page URL. So name it accordingly and click on create new folder. Now open the folder that we just created, and inside it we should upload our custom HTML page. In your PC, go to the location where you have stored the custom HTML page. For uploading, we need to compress these files into a zip format. This is the HTML page and the assets folder contains the CSS files. So I'm gonna compress both these files into a zip format. In Windows, you can compress by selecting the files and right clicking on it. You'll see an option called compress to zip format. So I have compressed my files. This is my zip file. Now go to cPanel. In cPanel, go to the folder we just created, and inside this folder we need to upload the zip file. In the top bar, you'll see an option called upload. Click on it and you can select the files that you want to upload. So click on select file and select this zip file that we just created. Now this zip file has been uploaded. Now you can go back by clicking right here. Here our zip file is inside the folder that we created. Now we need to extract the files from the zip file. So right click on the zip file and in the drop down you will see an option called extract. Click on it and click on extract files. So now our custom HTML file has been extracted from the zip file. So this is how you upload a custom HTML page to WordPress. This page is now accessible. So go to your browser and type in your domain name / your folder name. That is in this case custom page. So I have typed my domain name. Now I'm going to type the folder name. Now hit enter and you will be able to see the custom HTML page. So this custom HTML page has been uploaded to WordPress. As you can see, the folder name is in the URL for accessing the HTML page. You can change the folder name by going to cPanel and here in the public HTML folder, right click on the folder which you want to rename and select rename, and you will see an option for renaming the folder. So I have changed my folder name into portfolio. Now if we go to the browser and refresh the custom HTML page, then we will see a 404 error. So this is because we have changed the name of our folder. Here we need to type the new folder name after the domain name. And now as you can see, we are able to access the custom HTML page. So this is how you can add a custom HTML page to your WordPress. So this is the blog page of our website. As you can see, we are not able to get the custom HTML page as a blog post here. So for adding the custom HTML page into WordPress blog post list or pages list, we need to create a blank post or page. So I'll show you how you can do it. So for adding the custom HTML file to WordPress post list or pages list, you need to create a blank post or page. So if you want the HTML file as a page, then you need to create a blank page. Or if you want it as a post, then you need to create a post. So create a new post. Here give it a title. Give the title same as your custom HTML page. Now save this post as draft. After that you will be able to change the URL right here. So change the permalink into the custom HTML pages folder name. So in our case it was portfolio. And again save this post and publish it. You don't need to add any content. So now if we reload our blog page, we will be able to see the blog post that we published. So if we click on it, we will be redirected to the custom HTML page. So that's how you can add a custom HTML page into WordPress and make it appear in the blog post list. If you want this custom HTML file as a page in WordPress, then you need to create a new blank page and change the permalink into the folder name of our HTML file in cPanel. So that's all in today's video. Hope you were able to follow. Like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Blogger Score for receiving more videos like this. See you next time.